Hello, it's Thursday the 23rd. I'm FxPlew and today's market brief is sponsored by the Holy Trinity of Lemsip, Berocca and pharmaceutical grade painkillers. I've even broken out the cravat to keep the tonsils out of trouble. But UK inflation held steady in September at 3.8%. That beat forecast of a rise to 4%, and it has raised hopes of another rate cut by year end. But the MPC is expected to keep rates on hold at 4% at the next meeting. The vote is likely to be split. There are the likes of Chief Economist Hugh Pill, who worry about persistent inflation due to strong wage growth. And on the other side of the debate, we have the likes of Alan Taylor, who see a growing recession risk if rates stay higher for longer. Ahead of the budget, Reeves has leaked another idea to test the waters. Apparently, if they close the loophole that allows limited liability partnerships to treat the team as self-employed, the LLP would pay employers' national insurance going forwards, which could raise about £2 billion. As a headline, they could be onto something there. I'd welcome your thoughts if you know any more about that one and whether that idea has legs. Over in the US, the market is currently pricing in about a 97% chance of a rate cut next week. The government shutdown means we have no recent employment figures to go on, but a rate cut will certainly boost the economy and provide some support to a previously shaky job market. That would be despite inflation remaining over the 2% target and solid growth with GDP around 3%. Tariffs are driving prices up, but firms are absorbing some of the additional cost and performance is holding up okay for the time being. However, where the full effect will not likely be felt until next year, there are warnings that rate cuts may reignite inflationary pressure into next year. In the market, the dollar index pulled back to below the 99 level, reflecting rate cut expectations, and we kick off this morning around 133.50 against the dollar, 115.10 against the euro, and euro dollar is around just shy of 116 on the open this morning. So that's it from me. Don't say I'm not a fighter. See you tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.